I'm Melanie Traylor, and today we are talking about Tangle Quilt Along. All right, so this is our final quilt along for 2024, all coming to you from my book StashWork. This is the last one. I hope you are going to be joining in. There are going to be links to everything right below this video. This is a quilt along, and just in case you're a new quilter, a quilt along is when you get a series of tasks given to you every week. In Tangle's case, you'll get a task each week to complete, and by the end of 5 weeks, we will have this quilt top together. Tangle quilt is another stash busting pattern. So the intentions of this quilt is definitely to use what's in your stash. But if you're a brand new quilter or you don't keep a stash, we are going to have bundles for you if you need them. All right, so this is beginner friendly and fat quarter friendly. So very, very basic. It is a basket weave pattern, which you're probably familiar with if you've ever looked at quilts. A basket weave is just straight line sewing. We'll sew our strips into sets and then we'll cut our blocks from the set. So if you're a brand new quilter, this is a great place to jump in and learn how to make a quilt. All right, so with all basket weave type quilts, if you're very specific with where you put certain fabrics or certain colors of fabrics, you can get a lot of different kinds of very unique designs. So I want to put that out there, and we are going to talk about lots of different looks that you can get with Tangle during week 1. So back to the Quilt Along event, it's going to start October 30th, and we are going to wrap it up November 27th, or right before Thanksgiving gets here. So we're going to have it knocked out by the holidays beginning. All right, so the first week we will choose and cut our fabrics. The second, third, and fourth week will be block making, and during that 5th week we will sew all of our blocks together for a finished quilt top. If you're signed up each week on a Wednesday this time, you will get an email in your inbox detailing that week's task, a demo for it, and details about the prize for that week. We're going to have a lot of great prizes this time. A lot of our old favorites. Havel's is once again giving out 3 prizes. Everyday Modern Quilts is going to be our long arm sponsor, and Arrow Sewing is giving away another one of those Shirley cabinets to one lucky winner. So that's not the final prize list. That is coming really soon. But that is a little peek into what we're giving away this time. All right, back to the quilt pattern. There's 3 different sizes to choose from. We've got a 40 by 40, a 60 by 80, and a 70 by 70 inch size. And I will be giving instructions for how many blocks or how many strip sets on all 3 quilts each week, so that you know how many to make and you can choose which quilt works best for you. So I will see you on October 30th. Don't forget to sign up below so that you will get those emails in your inbox. Once you sign up, you'll get a welcome email. You'll get a couple of details like an hour later, and then after that, you'll receive an email every Wednesday starting October 30th. There may be a few additional emails before we get started, just for me preparing you to quilt along. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I will see you next time.